Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this new Grady White 2019 235 Freedom. Like all other Grady Whites, this Grady White boasts the legendary CV2 hull, which gives you, bar none, the smoothest ride on the water. She's powered with 300 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha, top speed of about 46 miles an hour, best cruising speed of 27 miles an hour and 3 miles per gallon. As we take a walk in the inside, you can see how beautifully laid out this 235 is. Upgraded captain's chair, helm station, user friendly. Look at all the storage, all the room you have in the bow of the boat for relaxing. And of course, one of the main features of this boat is this beautiful hardtop with the shore shade. For a full viewing of this boat and any other of our Grady Whites, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, at MarineMax Gulf Shores.